Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you Instagram Reels Play bonus low earning problem on iPhone and Android users. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to 3-4 days after Instagram Reels Play bonus earning is very low. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Before the starting this video, when it come to protect your expensive device, you must be invest in the good antivirus software. To protect my device with this, I use the Kaspersky Total Security. You can protect your phone as well as Mac and Windows device. You can check and also protect your device with the Kaspersky link in descriptions box. Now the first of all, firstly number of users get the Instagram Reels Play bonus features on iPhone and Android users. Instagram Reels Play bonus get after you can see also first 3-4 days Instagram give 1000 view to $3. But still you can see on my Instagram account bonuses is very low. Open the Instagram applications. After you can see also right hand side bottom profile sections. Now tap on that and now 3 dots at the right hand side corner, tap on the settings. In the settings you can see also third one option is creator. In the creator first one option is bonuses. In bonuses you can see also last 3-4 days I already crossed the 1,64,000 view. But still my earning is you can see also $34 on my account. This same problem face lot of users of the Instagrams get the Instagram Reels Play bonus features. Now the Instagram users reported to how to fix this issue on my Instagram account. Now the first one important solution is latest versions to update your Instagram applications via the Play Store and also App Store in the iPhone. Now the second solution is report to Instagram monetization team. Now the user's question is what to do for the report the monetization team. Now first of all open the Instagram applications. Now you can see also this format I give you on my descriptions box, easily copy paste and you can easily change in and also send the report. Copy the format. After you can see also right hand side bottom profile sections and right hand side corners 3 lines and tap on the settings. In the settings scroll down and tap on the help section. In help sections you can see also third one option is monetizations help. In the monetizations help first one option is contact support. In the contact support now select the first one options and select the bonuses. In the bonuses section you can see also select your issue. Now select the general feedback. Now the paste the copy of the format this type like and tap on the submit. Your official mail to you can easily send the report to monetization team. Now the wait for the 24 hours then also get mail from the monetization team from the Instagram. Review all the details and fix your problems as soon as. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you need query about it so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.